Here at Mills County General Store, we like to say wall to wall, we have it all. My name's Robert Shive. I'm one of the co-owners of Mills County General Store. We get a lot of people traveling through the hill country of Texas, and it's been great to meet people from around the country. We've got tools, we've got hardware, we've got gifts, and supplies for hunters, firearms, ammo. But I think people would be surprised to know that we have an incredible paint department. We started discussing the purchase of the store in the summer of 2024. And crazy as it sounded, we thought we'd give it a shot. The building was built in 1892. The store has been here since the early 1900s. After purchasing this store this April, we took the drop-down ceiling down that was put in the 1970s and went back to the original beadboard ceiling. We had this tile brought in from a building from Brownwood, Texas, 1908, and added the chandelier, the warm chandeliers. We went with the skylights that were here when the original building was built in 1892. We have also paid homage to the owners, the previous owners of the store with their signs. One of the updates that we did was we brought in cedar from East Texas, from Rusk. We brought in 3 truckloads of cedar, and it gives it that warm, unbelievable smell. These are the accounting ledgers from 1926 and 1938 that go back and show all of the family names and the people that shopped here and what they purchased. We've got the pictures of this case from 1932, 1976. We've had customers come in the store with some incredible stories when they were younger. We had a 90-year-old lady come in, and she remembers getting candy right over here. We've been super, super thrilled with the support we've got from the community. And that is far and away my favorite part of this whole experience. This store has been the center of this community for 100 years. So to hear some of the stories and to be able to continue that service, it's been an honor to be able to bring it back to life, to bring it back into the community.